Many people asking many more questions about their taxes this year.
For this specific tax season, it's all about organization, especially because of what was provided last year for COVID relief.
Uncertain about how the money you received from pandemic relief will impact your 2020 federal income tax return? Here's what you need to know. The number one question, stimulus checks. Are they taxed? The answer?
No, it is not taxable income. It is essentially a credit. So if you were able to get the stimulus check last year or early this year for the second round, you already received your credits. So when you are filing your taxes, you need to denote that you already received them.
What if your income dropped last year and you didn't receive the amount of money that you should have in your stimulus payment? Or you had a child and you now qualify for a payment for your dependent? You can still get the money by claiming a recovery rebate credit on your 2020 tax return. Next, are unemployment benefits taxable? Yes, they are, and taxes were likely withheld at a lower rate than your regular paycheck. If too little was held, you may owe money when you file. And finally, does PPP relief need to be reported? Yes. For small business owners who received a loan from the Payment Protection Program and qualify for loan forgiveness, make sure the information you provided to get that relief matches what you're reporting on your tax return.
Essentially, if your return is not matching what you reported, you can trigger an audit for yourself.
So, Contessa, being organized is truly key, especially this tax season.
I totally get that. Sharon, I'm wondering about everybody working from home, buying desks and monitors and setting aside the guest room now as an office. Can you write off any of that?
Unfortunately, unless you're self-employed or you're a freelancer, home office deductions are very hard to get, even if you're paying for your own work-from-home expenses. So your best bet is actually to ask your company to reimburse you.
Our boss is going to love it when I submit part of my mortgage to him to pay. Sharon, a lot of parents have been buying stuff for their kids for remote learning. What about those?
Again, unfortunately, no. At the federal level, there are no special tax breaks for homeschooling your kids, but there are some breaks that are available at the state level. Certain states will provide you with tax credits for homeschooling, so you need to check with your state. And Contessa, we should also mention that you can get a lot more tax tips at CNBC.com. Invest in you.
Thank you for all the advice, the great answers there, Sharon. Nice to see you.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.